Good morning. Myself Nidhi Gaur, PGT Chemistry in KM Public School. When the world is struggling to survive a pandemic, there is probably no better time to remember the national doctor whose story is a mix of hard work, talent, and unmatched dedication toward his profession. India celebrates 1st July as National Doctors' Day in honor of birth and death anniversary of great physician and second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. Every year, National Doctors' Day is celebrated with a theme, and this year's theme is COVID-19 pandemic. National Doctors' Day is observed in India to recognize and appreciate the significant roles and responsibilities of doctors. The annual celebration of this awareness campaign also helps common man to become aware about the roles, importance and precious care delivered by the doctors. The Indian Medical Association IMA is a national voluntary organization of physicians in India which looks or cares after the interest of doctors. The government and non-government healthcare organizations in order to get familiar with the doctors' contributions, consultation workshops, free medical checkup camps, general screening test camps are organized across the country. Activities are also organized at the school and college level so as to encourage young students to take up medical profession. On this auspicious day, we have no words to explain how the doctors worked hard day and night for saving life without caring for their own lives. I am proud to say that the doctors are image of God. With the help of doctors, we will win the war against corona. That's why these doctors are called Corona Warriors. These doctors are real heroes. At last, I just want to thank all the doctors who are performing their duties in this deadly pandemic.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Garkar. I have done my schooling from KM Public School and my MBBS from SGT Medical College. Now I am pursuing my post-graduation in radiology in Government Medical College, Kota. So today is 1st July. What day it is? Yes, 1st July is celebrated as National Doctors' Day in the fond memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. It is a tribute to the doctors for their unconditional services to the mankind. So, I just remember the days when I decided to become a doctor and had different feelings in my mind. We all have a different definition for a doctor. Some say they are the persons who hold the highest degree to treat the people, right, who are ill. And in fact, some consider them as God. But I would say they are the ones who help us to lead the life which God gave us. Each year, a number of students apply for it, but only a few make it through, right? But few among us knows the real struggle of being a doctor. It's not a profession of fixed time duty. They are available 24 into 7. Just like pandemics, some even have put their lives at risk in times of emergency. We all have witnessed this during this pandemic, which has entirely changed the world. The stress, fears which doctors have faced because of the COVID is not hidden from any of us. I personally know some of the doctors who lost their lives serving the nation. This COVID outbreak brought the world to a standstill. Not only doctors, but in fact nurses, healthcare workers also emerged as a real heroes in these difficult times. Doctors and healthcare workers have played the role of family members for the COVID patients by staying away from their families. I feel personally I feel honored to be into this profession. I remember the times when I was appointed a duty in COVID and felt so good to play even a small role in serving the humanity or the nation. As a student, I had millions of thoughts in my mind when I walked into a situation while choosing the profession. Of course, it was not easy for me. I went for coaching, PMT coaching in Delhi, and obviously hard work paid off. Then I selected for MBBS, and it took 5.5 years to get my MBBS done. Then again, I studied for post graduation entrance exams. Basically, it nearly takes 10 to 12 hours, 10 to 12 years to become a full fledged doctor, or even more. I just want to say no profession or branch is less than the other. Like, our country can't run without IAS officers. Machine can't be made without engineers. We as a patient need a doctor while we are sick, right? So no profession, no branch, no people, no people are less than the other. And all these would have not been possible without the brilliant foundation which has been this school for me. It has been an important part of my life and prepared me throughout to enter into the journey of becoming a doctor. I would like to thank all the teachers who played a special role in grooming me, as I believe having a brilliant mentor is very important and plays a significant role in shaping you as a person, right? And evolving a good professional. And KMPS has provided me with all those. We all have become so smart that we can Google things. We can Google things, right? But having a guru is such an important thing. Or our parents give us family values at home, and the teachers groom us with them. KMPS has provided me with such brilliant mentors. Uh, the support, motivation given by the teachers has been a strong pillar to me. I must say the remarkable environment of the school has played a very crucial role in my life. So, big thanks to my teachers, friends, or everyone who has been a part of my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhumika Chaudhary. I'm a dermatologist currently practicing at Skin Raga Clinic, Bhiwani. I've done my schooling from KM Public School, my undergraduation from Belgaum Institute of Medical Sciences, Belgaum, and my post-graduation, that is MD in Dermatology, Venereology and Leprosy from Dr. Rajendra Prasad Government Medical College, Tanda, which is in Himachal Pradesh. I'm proud of being a dermatologist. I love being a doctor. I'm just proud of it. To become a doctor requires a great amount of hard work and dedication, and it needs to be continued after you become a doctor. So it's a great responsibility on your shoulders to treat each and every patient after you become a doctor. And I just love it. I love my job, and I would like to thank all my family members, my friends, and my teachers for always supporting me, for always motivating me in this journey of mine to become a doctor. And on this occasion of Doctor's Day, I would like to give best wishes to all the budding doctors out there. I just wish them all the best and happy Doctor's Day. That's it. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, I am Dhani. In this video, I will share some important facts on Doctor's Day. In India, National Doctor's Day is celebrated on 1st July on the birth anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who also served as the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. Mr. Roy was a highly respected doctor and politician. Doctor's Day is being celebrated in India since 1991. Government and non-government healthcare organizations take the opportunity to thank doctors for their contribution. Small to big events are organized in hospitals and the clubs all throughout the country. As Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy hailed from West Bengal, the grand event is organized at the Doctors Rotary Shreve Club in the state capital Calcutta. National Doctors Day is a very significant occasion both for the doctors as well as.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I introduce myself. Myself Ayushi. I am a student of class 12th of medical science. I am here in this video to tell you something about Doctor's Day. I would like to ask that when and why we celebrate Doctor's Day. For those who don't know why we celebrate Doctor's Day, let me add in your knowledge that on 1st July we celebrate Doctor's Day. Let me tell you the reason behind why we celebrate Doctor's Day on a particular date. This day is celebrated in India to honor a great physician, Dr. Chandra Roy. He was born on same day in 1882 and died on the same day in 1962. He was also honored with a great highest award of India is Bharat Ratna. The doctor's responsibilities are monitoring and care for their patient, investigating, diagnosis and treating their patient. Every crisis has doctors its hero. They show every time their selflessness and their sacrifices. Even in coronavirus pandemic, our healthcare workers, nurses, doctors, EMTs and many more who have more risk to get infected, they sacrifice for us to save our lives. They are working even they are put into a greater risk to avoiding the necessary mask, shortage of masks, face shielding and other protective equipments. At the time like this, we can reminded of our healthcare heroes which plays to care ourselves in every crisis. Thank you to all doctors, healthcare workers, nurses and etc. to do everything for us. Happy Doctor's Day.
Medicine can cure a disease, but a doctor can cure a patient. Hello everyone, this is Rimchin Singh and I want to express my gratitude towards all the doctors. As we all know, the Doctor's Day is celebrated on 1st July in the honor of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy in India. By the way, humans are not capable to compare themselves to God, but doctors have achieved the status by their work and dedication. We call this life donor a doctor because they saves us from our death and even gives birth to us. In the field of medicines, doctors have progressed a lot. Many significant diseases can be cured now. Even in this pandemic situation, they are working day and night without caring for themselves. We should salute them and even pray for them. Thanks to all the doctors.
Hello everyone, myself Divya and I am here to deliver a speech on Doctor Day. Doctors are God on earth who save others' life and give relief when others in pain. A doctor is someone who is qualified in medicines and treat people who are ill. In India, the National Doctor Day is celebrated on July 1st all across India to honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rao. He was born on July 1st, 1882 and died on the same date in 1962 on age 80 years. Doctor examine patients so that they can diagnose and treat healthy conditions and disease. Thank you.
I am Ritika Sharma. In this video, I will share some important facts on National Doctor Day. Do you know when is National Doctor Day celebrated in various countries? In India, National Doctors Day is celebrated on 1st July every year to thank all physicians and doctors for their dedicated services to the patient. In the US, this day is celebrated on 13th March to express their gratitude towards doctors. Now I will share the history of National Doctor Day in India. National Doctors Day is celebrated on 1st July to honor the legendary physicians and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy was born on July 1st, 1882. And he lived for 80 years, who incidentally passed away on the same date in 1962. He was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on February 4 in 1961. Doctors are available for our health around the clock, and they advise us to stay healthy and fit. They save our life when we are sick and always keep in good health. We salute doctors' hard work and commitment as they keep the society healthy and safe. Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं डॉक्टर ललित अग्रवाल, कंसल्टेंट यूरोलॉजी IMS BHU में कार्यरत हूँ। आज मैं आप सब लोगों के समक्ष डॉक्टर्स डे के उपलक्ष्य में अपने विचार शेयर करना चाहूँगा। तो इस डॉक्टर्स डे में हम सब लोग सभी डॉक्टर्स को, हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स को उनके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस के लिए याद करते हैं, उन्हें अपना ट्रिब्यूट देते हैं। आप सभी जानते हैं यह बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम है, कोविड पैंडेमिक चल रही है। इस कोविड में हम सब लोगों ने अपनों को खोया है, बट इस कोविड में भी डॉक्टर्स एंड हेल्थ वर्कर्स सैनिक की तरह अपनी जान की परवाह ना किए बिना लगातार दिन रात मरीजों की सेवा में लगे रहते हैं। उन्हें भी अपनी फैमिली के लिए चिंता होती है, या फैमिली वालों को भी डॉक्टर्स के लिए चिंता होती है। क्यों, डॉक्टर्स भी एक इंसान है, उनकी भी फैमिली है। कोविड पेशेंट के पास जाकर उसका इलाज करना, इसके लिए एक हिम्मत की जरूरत होती है। तो हमारी सबसे पहले ड्यूटी यही आती है कि हम सब चीजों को छोड़कर पेशेंट्स का ट्रीटमेंट करें, वो भी पूरी ऑनेस्टी एंड 100% एफर्ट्स के साथ। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे देश में इस कोविड टाइम में मोर देन 1000 ऑफ डॉक्टर्स ने अपनी जान गंवा दी है। डॉक्टर्स के एफर्ट्स को देखते ही हुए और हेल्थ केयर्स के एफर्ट्स को देखते हुए उन्हें कोरोना वॉरियर्स का नाम दिया गया है। इसके साथ साथ मैं यह भी बताना चाहूंगा कि ना ही हमें, खासकर जनरल पॉपुलेशन के लिए, जनरल पीपल के लिए, वो घर में रहकर हम सब लोगों का सहयोग करें, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करें, मास्क का यूज करें, सैनिटाइजर्स, हैंड वॉशिंग, इन सब का यूज करें। कोविड से रिलेटेड जो भी सारी प्रिकॉशंस हैं वह सब ध्यान में रखते हुए जो हमारा मूवमेंट है उसमें सहभागी बने। फ्रेंड्स, मैं एक और चीज आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा। आखिर डॉक्टर्स को कितना डिवोट करना पड़ता है। जब हम कोविड वार्ड में ड्यूटी करते हैं तो बिना टाइम देखे हुए लगातार हमें शिफ्टों में 2 वीक्स लगातार काम करना पड़ता है, लाइक एवरी 8 आवर्स और 10 आवर्स डेली। उसमें पीपी किट पहनना, पीपी किट में पूरे हेड को, पूरी बॉडी को कवर करना, और उस टाइम आप ना ही पानी पी सकते हैं, ना ही कुछ खा सकते हैं, ना ही किसी से बात कर सकते हैं। अंदर से आपको इतनी स्वेटिंग एंड सफोकेशन लगता है। उसके साथ साथ सब पेशेंट्स को देखना यह बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है। तो फ्रेंड्स, आप सब लोग भी अपना ध्यान रखें, कोविड वैक्सीनेशन जरूर लें और सबको कोविड वैक्सीनेशन के लिए मोटिवेट करें। इसके साथ साथ और भी हेल्थ रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसके लिए भी अपनी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल रखें, हेल्दी डाइट रखें। मैं चाहूंगा I wish from God for healthy life of everyone. Thank you so much.